Set in the center of Thane, uptown Manhattan style, the icon enjoys the unique location advantage of the most habitable gold residential circle, a cross-city expressway, 2 metros, and 3 urban rails, seamlessly connecting to the pinnacles of Mumbai. Equipped with the best supporting facilities and surrounded by all established lifestyle destinations within 3 kilometers, the icon perfectly replicates the quality life of Madison Avenue from Manhattan. With 2 prominent public parks in the vicinity, the development is magnificently located amidst resplendent natural surroundings. A 300 meters boulevard graced by dazzling oaks welcomes residents with magical homely vibes in the lap of luxury. The icon's overall planning takes design aesthetics into consideration, building a terraced recreation area, 2 swimming pools, badminton court, and a cricket play area, jogging track, fitness, and multi-purpose areas for the convenience of all age groups. The Children's Dream Paradise encompasses 4 areas of recreational facilities to meet the needs of your children from 0 to 12 years of age. Come join the Icon Club, a grand 9,440 square feet super clubhouse adoring all top-notch conveniences. We're committed to building an intelligent community. The smart security system encircles all aspects of a shield system, providing 24/7 full coverage surveillance with hawk-eye monitoring, electronic panel system, and a vehicle identification. Quality being our highest priority, the icon adopts sqft construction technology and handed the world tribute that pioneers the construction industry in significantly reducing major quality issues of hollowers, cracks and rainwater leaks, and increasing the seismic capacity of houses. Because saving time in life is so quintessential, we have a smart access control system installed at the community lobby for residents to enter the house in 1 click on the mobile phone. The 4-in-1 smart door lock safeguards your door, and cloud visual intercom lets you open it remotely, even when you're away from home. Indoor upgraded intelligent security system equipped with infrared human body sensor, intelligent sound, light alarm, and 24-hour real-time monitoring guards your personal and societal property safety all the time. LED corner lights installed in the indoor walkways give better protection to your family at night. The icon teams up with Hafid's, maker of the finest towers in India, creating an excellent house designs and achieving zero space wastage while guarding residents' privacy. Superior interior design adopts supersized full-frame dining room to enhance ventilation and natural sunlight. The master bedroom is designed like a suite for residents to enjoy exemplary comfort, while 270-degree balconies provide panoramic views from every room. An ergonomic parallel design keeps the kitchen organized and convenient with high-quality experience through detailed perfection. Renowned Indian and international brands with exorbitant facilities like the smart toilet reflect the lifestyle from uptown Manhattan. The icon brings to you the essence of premium location, intelligent design, high-tech architecture, and all-round integrated proficiency, a pure form of artwork, uptown Manhattan style, a luxuriant new place, here to catch the world's attention, beckons you. The icon.